The print tool is in the upper right area of the mapping application. Pop-ups must be enabled for this feature to work correctly. The print map window can be repositioned anywhere on the screen. You may print the current contents of the map within the defined boundary, including any visible layers, labels, graphics, and text that have been added to the map. There are 3 settings available: export type, resolution, and orientation. For export type, you can choose between image only or Adobe PDF. For resolution, the options available are low, standard, high, and ultra high. Low is 360 by 480 pixels. Standard is 720 by 960 pixels. High is 1080 by 1920 pixels. And ultra high is 2160 by 3840 pixels. The default option is standard resolution, which is designed to print a full page image on an 8.5 by 11 inch piece of paper with half-inch margins. The third option allows you to choose between portrait vertical or landscape horizontal orientation. While the print tool is active, a red outline box that overlays the map indicates the map content that will be included in the final printout. You can continue to adjust the map to fit inside the print area before generating a printout. If you cannot see the red outline box, try selecting a lower resolution setting. When you are ready, click the print button on the tool window to obtain your image. Please note that maps that have been rotated do not maintain the rotation of labels or annotations in the printout.